Hi there, gentlemen, and welcome to the video. And in this video, as you can see, the title that I'm going to show you guys that how you can create a child theme in WordPress with plugin and without plugin as well. In case if you don't want to use a plugin to create your child theme, if you want to do it with code, you're most welcome. I'm just going to show you the exact way of doing it. So the very first thing that I want to mention is that what is basically the importance of the child theme. Why do we need it? This is the very first question. So the answer to that question that is that if you have a paid theme, maybe if you've installed a paid theme and you have imported some kind of like importer from that for that theme, and you are just inserting your content and your imagery in that. In all the cases, in all the scenarios, that does not work for everyone. So you might need to make some little tweaks around to make it work exactly like you want it to work. So in that cases, it is highly recommended that before you start any sort of customizations in the child themes, in the parent theme files, you need to create a child theme and make the changes in the files in the child theme. So, why is that important? It is important because your parent theme is going to have some kind of updates in the let's say if the WordPress gets changes, WordPress gets updated. That means that your theme will also be getting updates from the author. So if you are updating a parent theme, any changes done within the files of that theme are going to be flushed away. That they're not going to be present on your theme if you update that specific theme. So keeping that in mind, I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to walk you through all the steps of creating a child theme in WordPress with plugin and without plugin as well. So before digging deeper into this today's topic, please, it's my humble request that if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it and click out then on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So the first of all, I will be showing you guys that how you can create a child theme using a plugin. So it is kind of a pretty straightforward thing. I will try to finalize the video like in 5 to 10 minutes, no longer than that, and try to make it as short as possible. You just need to open the dashboard of your website, and you just need to go on this add new section of plugins, and um, you just need to search in for child theme configurator. If you search for child theme, I suppose you will have a very first result of child theme configurator. This one, we need to install this plugin. You just need to install it and activate this plugin. So once you've activated this plugin, you will see settings under the tools, seeing child themes. Let me just see first of all that what theme I am using right now. Okay, so I'm using storefront theme right now. So what I will do is I will switch on to 2022 theme, and I will create a child theme in front of you by using the plugin, and will show it to you. So I have changed the theme from storefront to 2022 theme, and this is what it looks like. Okay, this is basically a shop pic that I'm showing you in the exact moment. So the target is to create a child theme for 2022 theme. So whenever I will click on this tab, it will ask me some questions regarding this. What I need to do, I need to create a new child theme. I will select this one, and in the drop down, you can select any parent theme to create a child of it. You just need to select it and click on analyze. It will do all the necessary checks that if your parent theme is incompatible, it is compatible to create a child theme for that specific parent plugin. You just need to, it will just show you all the other options that are the default options are okay. That you just need, you don't need to make any changes in those in those options. But if you want to change, you can just read out the options and you can just change it as you want. But uh, all the default options are pretty much okay. They don't want any kind of like further modifications. So once you have created the child theme, and you will come on this appearance tab under themes, then and whenever you will click on reload, I hope that, yeah, there you see 2022 child theme. This is basically a child theme that is being generated by that plugin. So what I will do is I will activate it and show you that if everything is working as it should or not. So as you can see, everything seems to be looking pretty well, and same exactly like parent theme. So I'm hoping that the child theme created by that plugin is perfectly fine. So in the other scenario, that if you don't want to install a separate plugin for this little thing, and you want to do it by code and by yourself, then the second way would be the way that you want to do it, and that will be without using plugin. Let me just show you that I have been using. I'm going to create a storefront child theme by using code for just before going ahead. I just want to activate that storefront plugin to show you that it is being activated, and I'm going to show you that how I'm going to do it exactly, so that you can follow me along and just follow, and you can just follow me along, and your child theme will be ready. So what I want you to do, the first place is I want you to open the theme folder of your WordPress website. If you don't know where that is, let me just show you very quickly. Basically, this is a website that is locally set up on my computer, and if you are working on a live website, you just need to open the WordPress installation files. You will see something of these sort, all of these kind of files. You just need to open the WP content folder, and then after that you need to open themes folder. Once you have opened the themes folder, these are all basically the files that I've opened in my text editor. So what you need to do is I need to create a child theme of storefront. So what I'm doing, I'm going to do over here, I'm going to create a folder named storefront dash child. Okay, so I'm going to create that folder, and in that folder I'm going to create basically two files. The first file will be style.css, and the second one would be functions.php. So the name of those files are file should be exactly the same. They should be in running. They should be in all small letters, not capitalized letters. It should be over there. Basically, it's a case sensitive thing, so you just need to rename these files exactly like this. After that, what you need to do is you need to paste some code in both of those files. I just written it over here. For the CSS file, it is basically a comment. It is just saying that it just this basically these are like kind of little details regarding the theme that we are going to create. Basically, the description of the theme, the child theme, and the author URI, the template, the version, and the text domain. This should be the parent theme's name. Okay, after that, what you need to do is you need to paste some code in functions.php file. It will look something like this. What you need to do is what you need to I'm going to basically uh, give you the link to this my blog post in the description of the video, and you can just hop over to that, and you can just grab the code from here. This is basically a code for style.css file, and this is the code for uh, functions.php file. In this code, we don't have PHP opening tag, but in functions.php file, I've also written PHP opening tag. So don't forget to add that as well. So when you will paste both of these, create both of these files over here, and with this code exactly, you will see a child theme of storefront theme. You can see that storefront theme as now as a child. And if you're curious about this screenshot being displayed over here, you can just create a new file in this folder, in the child theme folder. It should be named as screenshot.png, and it can be it can be an image kind of file that can be having a kind of an image, kind of a screenshot of a child theme, and you can just name it as screenshot.png, and it will be shown over here by the WordPress. So the last thing that I want to mention is, please don't forget to change the namespaces, because the name of your theme can be different, slightly different from my theme, because I'm creating a child theme for storefront theme, so I am using storefront name over here. Over here I'm using storefront. Over here I'm using storefront. So uh, try to understand the code if you understand it, but if you don't understand it, please make adjustment as required, because if you do any kind of like a bad adjustments, bad names, and if the don't names don't match, for example, just for the instance, I want to mention that the name of this string needs to be exactly the same as this one. So basically there are some sort of like things that you need to care of whenever you are playing with the code. So even though if you're stuck anywhere, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section below, or ask me directly in my WhatsApp group, or you can just contact me directly on Instagram or WhatsApp, and I'm always there for you. And in the last, I wanted to mention same that thing that if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it and click on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching, and take care. Take care. Thank you so much.